What's the meaning of bubble pack? Bubble pack. Bubble pack.
Bubble pack. Bubble pack. Bubble pack is a type of packaging that consists of a clear plastic sheet with numerous pockets of air, which are used to cushion and protect the items inside. The air pockets act as shock absorbers, preventing damage to the item during transport or storage. Bubble pack is commonly used for shipping fragile or delicate items such as electronics, glassware, or artwork. It is also popular for providing added protection during mailing or moving. Overall, bubble pack is a cost-effective and reliable option for keeping items safe and secure during transportation.